Hello, everyone. My name is Edwin Hammond, and I serve as the Continuity Program Manager for the Department of Labor and Industry. Today, I bring you an important message regarding earthquake preparedness in light of past events. On April 5th, 2024, at 10:23 a.m., a 4.7 magnitude earthquake originated in White House Station, New Jersey. Following this event, reports surfaced of differing staff reactions within the Scranton State Office building, with some employees evacuating and others remaining inside. Aftershocks of lesser intensity were also felt. But what should we do in such situations? The Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, has outlined a national preparedness goal, defining the nation's readiness to prevent, protect against, mitigate, respond to, and recover from various threats and hazards, including earthquakes. One valuable resource for earthquake preparedness is ready.gov's website, with information on how to prepare before, stay safe during, and stay safe after an earthquake occurs. Another resource for preparedness is the Great Shakeout Earthquake Drill, held annually in October. This drill provides participants with the opportunity to learn how to prepare for and respond to earthquakes effectively. If an earthquake happens, stay calm. If you are indoors, stay indoors. Get under a desk or table and hold on, or move into a hallway and drop and cover to avoid being hit by glass or falling debris. If you are outside, get into an open area away from buildings and power lines. The Office of Administration's Continuity of Operations program ensures that all agencies are equipped to minimize service disruptions by providing training, conducting exercises, and administering after-action reviews for disruptions. Additionally, the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, or PEMA, continuously assesses threats and risks, providing valuable insights into potential hazards, including earthquakes. After an earthquake, there can be serious damage to buildings, downed power lines, and the risk of aftershocks. It is important that employees have a method to communicate and receive updates. Weather radios associated with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, play a crucial role in providing communications and updates during earthquakes. These radios are essential tools for staying informed and safe during and after emergencies. The Federal Communications Commission has established procedures to distribute consistent emergency alert messaging over multiple pathways simultaneously. Emergency alert system participants include radio, television, cable, satellite, and wireless providers. Offices should have means to connect with these services. Now, let's hear from two of our team about their experiences with earthquake preparedness.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Scott Pancari, Director of the Bureau of Disability Determination. Our office conducted an earthquake shelter-in-place drill in the spring of 2023 in collaboration with the Social Security Administration. I found the earthquake exercises to be thorough and informative. First, the pre-emergency instructions showed us how to make our space more secure in an earthquake. Next, we learned the first actions that staff should take during an earthquake, including drop, cover, and hold on. We discussed what to do after an earthquake, such as gathering in a common area once safe, listening to the NOAA radio for updates, and notifying the Office of Administration and our agency of our status and awaiting instructions to evacuate or to shelter in place. The drill covered all the bases. Our Bureau is now more prepared, and the staff who participated, I think, are more comfortable on how to respond in this potentially life-threatening situation. I'm both pleased and grateful to have participated in such a worthwhile safety event.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sheila Tone from the Office of Chief Counsel, State Workers Insurance Fund Division Office in Scranton. During the earthquake on April 5th, I experienced firsthand the importance of maintaining reliable NOAA weather radios. I was in the Scranton State Office building when we felt the earthquake, and I went to turn on our office's agency-issued NOAA weather radio to see what was happening. The radio comes with a hand crank, a solar panel, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and a USB charge cable, so charging it is very easy, but no one had remembered to charge it and it was dead. My tip for ensuring the NOAA weather radio works when needed for an emergency is to recharge it at least 2 times a year. Once when we turn the clocks back in the fall, and again when we turn the clocks forward in the spring.
Thank you, Scott and Sheila, for sharing your insights and suggestions. Your experiences and dedication to your continuity highlight the critical role of preparedness measures. I urge everyone to take earthquake preparedness seriously. By staying informed, conducting drills, and maintaining essential equipment, we can ensure the safety and continuity of our operations. I look forward to participating with all of you at October's Great Shakeout.